Hey guys, it's KJ, and this is a very goofy video. Super goofy because I'm gonna teach you how to fold a paper boat. but I'm doing it anyway. So the first and foremost, get a rectangular paper, not the square ones, because if you're going to take a square origami, then it's not gonna work.
Has to be rectangular.
The next step is you fold the page into 2 pages. Then fold it. Okay. Now you have the initial fold over here. See, yeah. And then you have to make another secondary fold in the middle of the folded paper. Yes. So make another fold. But do not crease it until the bottom. Just crease the top. Yeah, only like this. And then you can see the mark over there. So it just indicates the middle line. Because we're going to use the middle line as reference for our next fold. So you're gonna make a triangular fold. 2 triangular folds. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically I have to make this. See? Following the middle line. Yeah. Make 2. So it'll turn out like this. Okay, so next you're gonna make 4 mini triangular folds. As you can see, they are like the remaining paper, I guess. Yeah, the remaining paper, and you're gonna make 4 triangles. So this is the first one. Do this. Just this is how it should look like. So yeah, the corners, it should look like this. Yeah. Then what you're going to do next is that you're gonna take the bottom corners and fold them in. So you're gonna do this. Take the corners, the bottom corners, fold them in, and it'll look like this. Yeah. As you can see, we have a triangle here, right? We're going to open the triangle so that it will turn into a square. So you see this hole right here, right? You open it and then you turn it into a square. Ta-da! Now you're going to hold it not like this, but like this. And then you're going to fold another triangle again. You're going to fold it to a triangle again. Both sides. We're almost there, don't worry. Ta-da. Another triangle. And again, you have to make another square. So do this. You see the transition? Hold on. I forgot how to turn it back to a triangle, so I think I'm just gonna skip that. But anyway, after you do this, you're going to open these flaps over here. Just open it up and voila. Oh. And voila. Ta-da. Now you've got yourself a paper boat. Yeah, it's pretty adorable, no? I always gift these to my friends whenever it's their birthdays, and I would write happy birthday name. So it's like the name of the boat, happy birthday, your friend's name. Yeah. It might seem trivial, but I've been doing these for like since middle school, I think. There we go. You now have your own paper boat. Yeah, I hope the video can help you on how to fold a paper boat. Bye.